The process of materials management allows managers not only to control but also to plan and organize materials flow. Even before production starts, materials management focuses on production design by emphasizing and standardization, the use of standard and uniform component rather than new or different ones for related products. Law firms keep standardized forms and data files for estate wills, trust agreements, and various contracts that can be adjusted easily to meet individual needs. Ford's engine plants in Romeo, Michigan uses common parts for several different kinds of engines and standardization, while it also makes the standardization simplified paperwork, reduces storage requirements, and eliminates unnecessary material flows. Once a product has been designed, materials managers purchase the necessary materials and monitors the production process through the distribution of finished goods. Thus, four major areas comprise materials management. Transportation includes uh, the means of transporting resources to the manufacturer or finished goods to the buyers. Warehousing is the storage of both incoming material for production and finished goods for the distributions to the customer. Inventory control includes the receiving and storing, handling, and counting of all raw material, partly finished goods and finished goods, partly finished goods and completely finished goods. It ensures that enough materials inventories are available to meet production schedules. Because purchasing is a responsibility of the managers, large transactions are required for material resources. We explain its activities in more detail. Purchasing process. Well, purchasing is the acquisition of all materials and the services that a company needs to produce its products. Most companies have purchasing departments to buy proper materials in required amounts of the reasonable prices and at the right time. For many years, purchasing department practiced forward buying. They routinely bought quantities of material large enough to fill long-term needs. The practice was popular because it allowed a firm to buy materials at quantity discounts. But purchasing agents must balance the need for adequate inventory with the need to avoid excess supplies, which drive up holding cost and the cost of keeping inventory on hand. These include the real cost of storage, handling, and insurances, as well as opportunity cost. Additional earnings that a company must pass because funds are tied up in an inventory. Today, many purchasing departments have opted for the so called hand to mouth pattern, placing small orders frequently. It requires fast delivery and leads shipment and delivery reliability. A radio maker who uses thousands of standard components may significantly reduce holding cost by ordering only what it needs for a coming day or coming week. Supplier selection. Purchasing department also handles supplier selections, deciding which suppliers to buy from. The process typically has four stages: investigating possible suppliers, evaluating possible suppliers, and isolating the best candidates, negotiating terms of services with final choice, maintaining a positive buyer seller relationship. Maintaining multiple supplier relationship is expensive. It takes time to survey, contact, and evaluate potential suppliers and builds good relationship. In addition, fewer suppliers means stronger, mutually dependent purchase supplying relations. Today, therefore, most purchasers try to reduce the number of their suppliers. In the first year of supplier reduction program, one 3M factory trimmed its suppliers list from 2,800 to 600 and then reduced it to 300 the following year. Tools for operations process control. While numerous tools assist managers in controlling operations, chief among them the are the worker trainings, lean production system, including just-in-time operations, commercial requirements, planning, and quality control.